What's good guys, Keaton here. So we're about to check out something crazy, super interesting, and something that I never thought would be a product. And I know I say that a lot, but this time I really mean it. Basically, you guys know this meditation guru. His name is Deepak Chopra. He's an absolute legend in the meditation community. Well, he came up with a product. This is his nice pretty face here. Came up with a product known as Dream Goggles. And basically what they claim is the minute you put them on, you are instantly relaxed in this state of trance.
So just relax.
So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's good. So these cost around 300 bucks. If you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below. Wannabe iPod here, some of the features. That's how you're gonna be feeling. If your legs aren't crisscrossed and there isn't fun lights coming up, what's really up? You know, you're not doing it right at that point. And then there's the legend himself. Wait. Deepak? Dude, of course, that's my man Deepak. So let's open this up. Now, Deepak Chopra's always chilling with Oprah, so I'm wondering if she's tried on the Dreamweaver glasses. I wouldn't be surprised. Like, Oprah is pretty tight.
Oprah can do anything!
I mean, Oprah's pretty cool. Like, I don't know if tight was the best word there. So here is the white iPod. It's the Dream Master, Deepak Chopra. How many iPods do you see with the name on the front? Let's see what else we get. All right, so we got the Dreamweaver sleeve. This is what you put the glasses in between. Wow.
It's a sleeve weaver.
It's a sleeve weaver, Kyle. It is a sleeve weaver. So here are the shades. They kind of just look like average sunglasses. This kind of looks a little bit like the glasses that keep you awake. Basically, they're these glasses, they detect when you blink. If you guys missed that video, I'll leave it linked right up at the top there. Did I do it right? Wow, these are not like those. Is there a cord? Of course there's a cord sticking out. The sunglasses, see that, Kyle? Got some like white strips on the inside portion. That's where you know the weaving is gonna happen. Charging cord and then another aux cord. I'm guessing that's just to connect the weaver to the glasses. Oh, what else do we get? Headphones. I did get the ones that come with the headphones. Nice little earbuds. Let's check these out. These seem like decent earbuds, better than just the standard ones you get with a phone. And then a micro SD card, because you can load your own meditation music, or if you're into me and you're into like hip hop, throw a Drake album on there.
On my cell phone.
Oh yeah, that feels good. Dude, these earbuds, they're cheap, but they don't feel cheap, and that's what matters. Nice little tight fit. Didn't even have to use the tips. No tip, but I'll give you a tip. Buy a Zoom. So this is the Dream Master right here. It looks like an iPod Classic, I know. It's got Deepak Chopra's name on it. So to power this thing on, you have a power button right at the top. So you have 4 different modes in here. You have sessions, that's how you go into like a meditation, weaving session. You have your audio, settings, and then USB when you want to plug it in. So let's check out sessions. So there's actually an SD card that you can put at the bottom, just a micro SD card, and then 2 headphone ports. One's for the actual earbuds, the other is for the glasses, because your glasses now come with the cord. Welcome to 2018. Dude, look at this click wheel. It doesn't even click. Well, it clicks a little bit, but it doesn't scroll. So headphones go in the headphone port. What if you switched them around? Let's plug in the glasses now. Cool, we're all locked in. So these Dreamweaver glasses are supposed to boost productivity, meditation, creativity, intuition, personal growth.
Sure it will, you'll see.
And they basically do this by flashing some red, green, and blue LEDs in here. And you're not supposed to open your eyes in a session. So I think the only thing left to do is put these on. See how these, oh wow, no, you can't see through these glasses at all. It would have been nice, but I think it kind of goes against the whole point of being meditated and relaxed. Kyle, dude, you seeing this? So we got Dreamweaver, that's when you want to go into a session, and then you can actually toggle on strobe, like spectra strobe. Let's see what this is like. Accelerate. You seeing that, dude? We got some lights. Where's the red LED? Is that, I think that means kind of like angry in terms of moods and colors. Showing blue lights here, blue and green. I'm just gonna see what these look like. No, I can't just put them on my face. Let's switch to a different mode here. Let's try wake up. It's kind of still early in the morning. It's like 1 p.m. There's the countdown. Let me throw the glasses on. Put the earbuds in for the full experience. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wow. Dude, I feel like I'm Daft Punk right now. I just see a bunch of LEDs blinking at my face. Is this what a lucid dream feels? Like it's supposed to substitute the beta thinking and implement theta thinking. That's what it says. Is this even healthy? Like, I don't feel like it's this healthy to have your eyes this close to a bunch of LEDs blinking. I feel like I'm getting epilepsy. I feel like I'm on elliptical. Just kidding. It's not that bad. Like, I don't feel eye strain yet. I've only been using it for like 2 minutes, so I'll let you know if that changes. But so let's change this up and go into a meditation session. So going on the Dreamweaver mode, Bhagavad Gita. Is that how I say it? Let me know in the comments if you know how to say that right. Oh wow. Oh my dude.
Relationship and also devotion.
What? Finding your true
This
self.
yoga.
So as we go along and he
exemplified
talks,
in
the
all
LEDs change colors and frequency.
including the
It was just
teachings of
green.
Jesus
I can get a
in
red
Western
light,
tradition.
whatever suits me. I'm in the Men in Black.
No, Jesus
This is what the Men in Black had to be wearing.
Redeemer.
You know what the difference is between you and me? I make this look good.
His voice is so soothing.
Divine quality.
What do you guys think? Drop a like if you think Deepak is the man. I'd love to get him in a video. I feel relaxed.
This yoga.
And it doesn't seem like it because I'm just so hyper all the time, but I can tell you honestly that I feel relaxed. So guys, those are the Dreamweaver glasses. I feel relaxed, although it doesn't seem like it. Make sure you get subscribed and drop a like if you guys enjoyed, and turn those notices on too if you're new. Follow us on the Insta story. That's where all the behind the scenes happened. And Deepak, dude, you changed me. Peace.